Hello everyone, welcome to CAM Family 2020-22 batch. I am Dr. Sarita, Assistant Professor and Placement Coordinator of Center for Agri Management. Welcome you all to the CAM Family, Utkal University. Here we welcome you to our placement cell. So our major objective behind the placement cell is that we impart the students by providing two skill sets. One is a soft skill, another is hard skill through agribusiness. So we impart them the skills through training, capacity building in our living lab. So the objective behind the living lab is to earn while learn, and the student, they have to understand this challenging environment, and they should ready for the environment. So this is how we started them the skill sets and training from the day one when they take the admission. After that, we have a very strong support from our alumni who are all associated with big corporates like Monsanto, HM Claus, Corteva and other big corporates and financial sectors. So they also provide us a hand-holding support to our students for corporate projects, for short-term projects as well as industrial visit. So this is how we have a good collaboration with our alumni and with the industries through imparting this training to our students. And finally, through our living lab, we make our students to be self-sufficient and to enhance their skill set so that they're ready for the environment with this challenging factor and changing factor. So once again, I welcome you all to the CAM family. I wish you all the best for your future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Anuradha, Assistant Professor from Center for Agri Management. Actually, I just have started my career over here from 2009, and from 2009 till date I have experienced a lot. Just I want to share one thing. You can see this living lab. This living lab means the lab which being living and where everybody can live and can experience. That because the dream of our management, they try to start a project where the student or everybody can experience the project, experience the activity, experience something which can be done only in the closed surrounding, that is a lab with the technology and the instruments. So these instruments are the lab, these instruments are the living things which can be experienced with the practical knowledge. Here the projects are being assigned to the student because this is student driven, and this project actually started in the year of 2016, where only start with the one component that is your vermicompost, and also some other components, but gradually it being expanded, and we try to involve the student to practice the components, practice the things that can be used in their future of the life. Here I can add something. With this living lab, we try to make the student like earning while learning. This also another sub-component of this total project, where we assign small project to the student, like your plant, like selling the plants, like samplings, and they are also being involved making multigrain atta with many of the other ingredients, which being very healthy, nutrients quantity is more, and also we are being packaged and sell the product Kandhamal Haldi. So this living lab project being giving a scope to the student to showcase their talent. They are very very enthusiastic to take over this project, and also they participated in different exhibitions like our all in Odisha Krushi exhibition and our naturopathy exhibition. So many exhibitions have been there participated. They have also sold the product in the exhibition and got the feedback that what is the demand of this organic product, whatever have been coming from our living lab, and what the demand of this they are initiated and they are involved product in the market. So this is what gives the like encouragement to the student to involve in this living lab, and what is being satisfy our objective. And secondly, when we involve our student, they also guide their juniors, and the legacy is going on like that. So we want to maintain this legacy, and also we are like very happy that our all the batches from 2016, they are involved so much that whatever been the result is there till now and today, that is because of the student and also the faculty guide, those have been guiding the student. So we are also very happy that we can give and enrich our student through this universal like teaching and learning facility. So this is the what we are going to offer and going to showcase and going to facilitate not even the student, we also invite all other like community, like farmers community, FEOs, NGOs, those are they are involved in this agriculture and allied activities. They can come, they can experience here, they can take the learning of different projects, and they can use their in their career, and they can use it in by like making some startup business, they can use in their business. So this is what we are, and this is what we are, the unique thing we are offering and we are showcasing, we are having with you. So come, experience and enjoy. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Aditya Ranjan Samal, right now working as Assistant Professor in Center for Agri Management. Well, where we are standing here, it's known as the Living Lab. Nowadays we call it Rural Technology Park. If we go back to the past of this particular Living Lab, we can start with 2016. The year 2016 was of course a year where our management decided it to start a new concept and to apply it in the course curriculum of our students. When we decided to go for it, we have started with only 2 compost pit that we have named, and we have tried to learn our students and motivate them, to encourage them to make and start their own business. We have started with 2 pit, and we have started with vermicompost pit, and rigorously you can see all around of the nook and corner of this place we have done, and we have gone ahead a lot that we have dreamed at that particular time. Right now in this particular Living Lab, we are having almost 18 to 19 components, and to be very honest, it is completely been driven by the students only. Whoever joins CAM, they have been allotted to different projects, and they need to do all those practical needs, practical fields, and applied all those practical aspects in the field itself by them, so that they can have a basic knowledge, idea upon what's going on in the field. When they move to different job places, they will be working with different input companies, they will be working with different financial institutions, and in that aspects they need to have some interaction with the farmers also. So in order to dealing with the farmers, they actually need to know some basic of agricultural practices also. And being an agriculture graduate or non-AG background, so they need to know themselves, drive themselves, do all those activities by themselves only. This was the future of their working platform. This is the place where they are going to work in the future. So that is why whenever they are joining CAM, they are doing all those things by themselves only. Because whenever a farmer will ask for any soil testing, a pesticides, application of insecticides, what is the plant growth regulator, or what is the types of seeds they are going to do, so ideally they should have a knowledge on that, basic knowledge on that. For that reason, CAM always prefers this is as a platform for them to get prepared for the upcoming times. When they will be moving to the job, they will be also dealing with different aspects, and as we know that always knowledge comes from the nature. So this is the best arena where they could know all about it. We have 16 to 17 or 18 to 19 number of components here. We have vermicompost unit, we have nursery unit, we have new technology of hydroponics, aquaponics, which are very soilless cultures. We are also having the nurseries, and those nurseries are also being grown with coco peat, that is soilless culture. We have integrated farming model, we have multi-storied cropping model, we have dockery, fisheries, we have an shade net house which we are also using for different exotic fruits as well also for our mushrooms, as well as we are also having our hydroponic model. We have a medicinal garden, we have 36 number of different types of medicines. As Ayurveda is one type of also a boost and the upcoming business, and also many people are also moving from homeopathy and allopathy especially to Ayurvedic. So it is also a upcoming area, upcoming thrust for business to the agribusiness people also. That's why we are also giving importance to different Ayurvedic medicines, Ayurvedic plants. We are also having a fruit orchard. We are having mollyfish cultivation, we are having ornamental fish cultivation. We are also going for pond culture, that is all those ajola preparation also. We are also having rohi, bhakura, kau, mirikali, all those fish which are also a part and parcel of the integrated farming of this particular living lab. In the other side also we are having a small cottage which we have designed in such a way that it can be act as also a cafeteria for the students who are working in the living lab. We have a lush green lawn with the fruit orchards which shows itself and depicts the nature which is coming from the heart of the environment and the heart of the God also. So definitely whenever you will be joining the camp, it's a good thing, good choice. Best of luck to all of you. Whenever you will join, we will go further in detail. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Smriti Ranjan Raj. I am a student of Center for Agri Management of second year, and right now I am standing beside the hydroponics model on which we have been working for last 6 months. And what is basically hydroponics? Hydroponics is a soilless and natural way of growing plants like herbs, plants or any kind of vegetables.